In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error code E87 in just 5 minutes. This error can be quite frustrating, especially if you're eager to jump back into your favorite games. Don't worry though, because we'll tackle this step by step together, ensuring you know exactly what to do. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam application on your computer. If it's not already open, go ahead and launch it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once you have Steam running, the next step is to locate it in your taskbar or on your desktop. When you see the Steam icon, right click on it. This action will open up a context menu where you'll see a list of options. Here, you'll want to select Properties. This is an essential step as it allows us to access important settings that we'll need later on. Once you're in the Properties window, navigate to the Shortcut tab. It should be one of the first tabs listed at the top. Here you'll find a field labelled Target. This is crucial as the target path tells your computer where to find and how to launch Steam. Take a moment to carefully click into this field and highlight the entire target path. Once it's highlighted, copy the path by either right-clicking and selecting Copy, or simply using the Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut. This copied path will be used shortly. Now, let's move on to the next step. Head over to your desktop search bar, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, next to your Start button. In this search bar, type in the word Run and press Enter. This will open the Run dialog box, which is a handy Windows tool for accessing various system pathways and commands. With the Run box open, click into the field and paste the target path you've just copied by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the Ctrl+V shortcut. But wait, our task isn't complete just yet. After pasting the target path, you'll need to add a little bit more to the line of text. Move your cursor to the end of the target path, hit the spacebar once to give it some breathing room, and then type a / followed by the word Repair. What this does is instruct the Steam client to open in a repair mode, which can help resolve the error code you're encountering. After you've added this final instruction, go ahead and click the OK button. If all goes smoothly, Steam should begin to open in this special mode. However, if this doesn't resolve your issue, there's one last resort: uninstalling and then reinstalling Steam entirely. This might sound daunting, but sometimes a fresh installation is what's needed to clear up recurring problems. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide helped you fix Steam error code E87 quickly and easily.